Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in
I was not
northwestern
expecting
Ohio,
Lucas.
Northern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, Wood County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bowling Green, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Fremont, Fostoria, Perrysburg, Oregon, Klein, Rossford, Northwood, North Baltimore, Oak Harbor, Gibsonburg, Genoa, Woodville, Elmore, Green Springs, Maumee, Mobile, Walbridge, Pemberville, and Millbury. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to Vermilion, Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 24 nautical miles south of North Cape, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and hail up to penny size. Source, radar. Impact. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Puddin Bay, Sandusky Bay, and Kelly's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The
Tornado warning!
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
County in northwestern Ohio.
Tornado warning for northeastern Lucas. It's coming from that, it's going that way. Hold on, y'all. Sirens are going off. Hear that? Tornado warning.
Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday.
I don't know, but I'm checking. I don't think so, but I'm not under it. Yes. And the 2T22. And an STH10. And an STH10. Look at that. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. I already am. Listen. I'm so out of breath. I have a strong feeling some of my friends are going to be calling me. There they go. It's so good, isn't it? Okay, stopping the video.
National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, north central Putnam County in west central Ohio, south central Henry County in northwestern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Algate, or 10 miles southeast of Defiance, moving east at 25 miles.
That's gonna get warned here. That's gonna get warned here soon too.
Any size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Algate, Handler, Melinda, New Bavaria, North Creek, Prentice, Gallup, Pleasant Bend, Wisterman, and Ellery. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Henry, and Putnam. This is no well.
Gotta turn this thing down again.
A message for the following counties in Ohio: Henry and Putnam. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for north central Putnam County.
Well, this is an
Central
eventful
Ohio,
day.
South central Henry County in northwestern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hallgate, or 12 miles southeast of Defiance, moving east at 20
What is
miles
that?
per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail.
Okay.
Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hallgate around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Dangerous storm.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include North Creek, Pleasant Bend, Prentice, Handler, New Bavaria, and Gallup. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Henry County in northwestern Ohio until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hallgate, or 11 miles south of Napoleon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dexler, Hallgate, McClure, Handler, Malinta, Gala, Griffin, and Ellery. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Henry, Ohio,